In today's video we're going to unbox the Joy-Cons in colours dark blue and neon yellow. I purchased these from a different website other than Nintendo, so they were a little bit cheaper. Let's get in there and see what's inside. So just open the top here, like so. And that's what it looks like inside, so you see the top of the Joy-Cons. You pull out these first, so they're just the straps. And I find as well, if you don't like the colour of these, you can go online and you can buy shells. So if I grab one that I've done here already, you can change the shells. So I've gone for a clear one on this one, but there's loads of different colours online. You can get blues, pinks, purples, yellows, the whole lot to match whatever colour Joy-Cons that you want. So let's get these out of the way, put those there for now, and we'll take the other one out of the box here as well. So obviously it comes with two because you've got two Joy-Cons, that goes without saying. So there we are, there's that one. Put that one out of the way. Let's get into this bit. It's got some paperwork there. I think it contains warranties and stuff like that. Let's pull out the blue one first. So we've got the blue one. I do think it's a bit excessive packaging. I mean, you've got bubble wrap as well as plastic. It would be better, in my opinion, if they went over some sort of paper. 9 times out of 10 when you order something online, you've essentially got a box within a box, so you only need to protect it really from getting scratches and stuff, so I can't see why they can't do it paper. But anyway, so there's the blue Joy-Con. I think they call this colour dark blue, but I'm not sure. The colour is slightly different on the box, obviously. Quite a nice colour. And then you've got side buttons as well in the same colour. So that's the first one. So let's get the yellow one out. The box over there. So again, lots of packaging, and you've got the neon yellow there, which is really, really bright. We have power, we don't have power. It's not charged. But yeah, in my opinion, to be honest, I don't really like the neon colours. I think they're bit too bright for me. I was going to go for a pastel colour, either the purple or the yellow. They were actually out of stock, so I needed another set of Joy-Cons, so these were the less offensive colours to me. But yeah, I don't really like the neon colours. I think they're a bit too bright in my opinion. But I think this blue is okay. It's quite a nice blue. But yeah, I think the yellow for me is just a bit too neon. I don't particularly like bright, loud colours, that's just not me. But yeah, I mean, together as a pairing, they're okay. I will be using these Joy-Cons, obviously. So, let's put the straps on and see what they look like with the straps on. So there's one. Again, you can change the strap shells, you can find those easily. So let's do the neon now. Slide that on. There we are. Now we've taken a look at them, it's now time to actually see what they look like on the switches. First up we have the original switch, so let's pop the controllers on. There's one. And there's two. So that's what it looks like with them on. Now the back is a bit different because I've actually changed the back plate, so it looks slightly different on the back. Let's see what it looks like in the OLED model. So it's going to look slightly different because obviously the screen is a bit bigger on this one. Let's have a look at the back. And there we are. That's my unboxing of the Joy-Cons in dark blue and neon yellow. Thank you for watching.